Okay, so this is the vocabulary for section 11.6. There's only 2 words today. So the first one is volume of a pyramid. So remember, a pyramid has one base and all the sides go up to a point. And so the formula for this is 1/3 of B. And remember, capital B is the area of your base. And this right here should be a capital B. It shouldn't be a lowercase b. I should fix that. Times the height. So the height is the line that goes directly from the center down to the base and is perpendicular to it. So it's 1/3 the area of the base times the height. The other thing you need to know is there's something called a slant height of a pyramid. You just need to be aware of it because sometimes you're going to have to use it to find the actual height of the pyramid. The slant height is the height of the lateral face. So if I drew a perpendicular line down the lateral face, that is the slant height. And so you have to know the difference between the slant height and the height. The height, again, goes from the center, from the top point, and is perpendicular down to the base.